Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a CRM in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and type in app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, simply focus your sights on the left panel and click on the plus icon right here to create a new project, program, or process. Now, from the templates here, we're going to click on View All Templates. And then, shortly after, we're going to see a search bar where we're going to type in CRM right here. As you can see, this should be seen on your screen for a personal CRM. Simply click on that option. And then you can see this is a template that you can use to start your CRM in Smartsheet. So simply click on Create from Template. You can now use this template for you to track your list of contacts on one centralized location, leverage the automation rules to help connect with your contacts, and seamlessly plan for upcoming meetings with these contacts. Simply edit the images and the details that you can see right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!